This is Don Aussie Nature and I'm on a mission to find every bird of the world. In today's episode we are gonna see 17 different bird species in Costa Rica. For example, this spotted Sandpiper, the red-eyed Amazon, the macaw and the street Flycatcher. So have fun with the video and let's go. Okay, I'm right here at the destination and I don't know what the name of the bird is, but it is like a pink heron, kind of, but it has a different bill. I'll show you in a second. I just have to set up everything and then we're gonna start. Everything is ready to go. Today we don't want to stay on the river. I want to move on and we'll cross the river. But first, let's get this bird. You hear this? Those are the green parrots. We will probably see some today. They are a little smaller than the others, but still very gorgeous birds. Okay, so 5 minutes in, we've got the Sandpiper, we've got the Roseate Spoonbill, we've got the tropical Mockingbird, and we've got the black-necked... I forgot the name. No way. I will write it down in the video, but we already got 4 species that we can definitely now knock off the checklist, which is amazing. This is so great. I love it. I was sitting right back there in the river, walked like 2 meters, and up there are the green parrots sitting. But I don't like the sky as a background. And the last time I've been here, there were king vultures sitting all over this hill right there. Got some birds sitting up there. I'll take some photos. What was this? So this is really a lot of fun right now. I haven't looked up which 2 types of birds I now saw, but additionally we definitely have the green bigger parrots. I don't know the exact names, I'm so sorry, but I will put them for you guys definitely in the video. All over here. There's so many, I have to be very cautious and quiet. I don't even know where I'm walking, but I have to back up a little bit because one is sitting perfectly for a picture. Nailed it. Wow. I think more detail is not really possible in a picture. This is great. It is really like just sitting there and waiting for me to photograph it. Okay, so we are definitely on a pretty good day. A pretty good way today. That's right. I'll have a little break now. It's 6 a.m. No, it's 7 a.m. I'm a liar. No, it's 7 a.m. 7 a.m. I'll drink something, switch the GoPro battery, and then move on. I think that the bird flying back there is a cocoa wood creeper, but I'm not sure. I don't think so. But it sounded very, I don't know, like a cracking stick or something. And now it moved. I waited for it to move. I saw where it flew, but not exactly which branch. Now it moved. So I will hurry up. I won't drink now. I drink after that. I'll try to get this. Wild Costa Rica, I love it. That is so crazy. That is so crazy. I even see them. What is now going on? Wait a second. Wait a second. There is so much right now. Wait. I don't know if the GoPro heard that. That was loud. Like a tree falling down or something. But a big one. Okay, wait a second. I saw right there a pretty big bird. Oh no, it's on the water. I think there are cows passing or something. Sounds pretty funny. Alright, so let's try to find my little guy right here. Where are you? Actually, nice background. Oh, it's a heron, I think. Yep, there are all the cows. Right there. This is so nice, I love it. Okay, so it's a bare-throated Tiger-Heron that I saw right here. Now the question is, look at them. There is nobody who is guiding those cows. They're just switching fields by themselves because they think that the grass is greener on the other field or something like this. But they exactly know where they have to go. It is also possible that that there is no more water on the other field, and that's why they come over here, because right there is a area where they can drink. And this was the bare-throated Tiger-Heron flying right above us. Costa Rica is so wild. This is so cool. We are already very, very successful. You hear the cows everywhere. This place is so cool because it is remote. There is no electricity here, and there is nothing going on. Like, you have 1 or 2 quads or motorcycles crossing here because of the cow fields. Because the only thing you have out here are cow farmers. But that means that you have so much cleaned area where there is so much space for birds. Which, yeah, is why you have this variety right here. What is this? Wait. I hear something and I don't know if I know it. Do it again. Right now, into the microphone. Ooh, it's a yellow-headed caracara. We already got them. And he's sitting way up there in the tree. I even see him. But there is only sky in the background, so I won't take a picture because it won't look good. But yeah, we have a yellow-headed caracara sitting up there. I also don't see it. Like, I just see the shape of it, but it's black completely because of the sky in the background. So now I'll have some water, which is my breakfast today. Smart as I am, I didn't bring food. Okay, I definitely found another Cormorant. Yeah. The only time I personally saw this bird was in the second episode, and if you missed on that, the link is right here. We saw a bunch of nice birds in that video. Oh, there is an Ara Macao nest. No way, wait, I have to show you. Okay, so this is really awesome. And there is not just one nest, there are actually two. So a guy came by just a second ago. He instantly asked me if I saw the lapas or the Ara Macao. I of course said yes and told him that there is a nest, and he told me no, there are two. Like, pretty cool. Okay, so I found out which bird was making this noise when I said it sounded like a cracking branch or something. It was an Amazon kingfisher. This is also a bird that I've uploaded to Instagram, the picture of it. So follow on Instagram. Definitely follow on Instagram, because not all birds off the checklist, like 20 or something, I already photographed before making videos, and they are on Instagram. So follow there. I'm heading back now. Looking forward to my coffee. It was very successful, really great. And before we end the video, yesterday, while lunch, I saw this bird right here.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to follow along my journey to find every bird of the world. And don't forget, the official species count is always on Instagram. So follow along there as well, and then stick around for the next video. See ya!